What's up, everybody? This is Rick Rosales from TagTeamReport.com. I'm here with Kevin Douglas, one of the top contenders for the NWA Junior Heavyweight Championship. How do you feel about your match tonight?
I feel great. And I have a message for every single person out there in the professional wrestling world. It's not about how big you are. It's not about how strong you are. It's about getting in the ring right there and being the best at what you do. Whether I wear a cape, whether I wear armor, or whether I help people on a day-to-day basis, that's totally irrelevant. Because once I step in between the ropes, there's not a better professional wrestler in the world out there than Kevin Douglas. And I don't care if it's the heavyweight championship, the junior heavyweight championship, the Texas championship, whether it's in Japan, Puerto Rico, or anywhere across the world. I'm on a mission. And every single professional wrestler that has any kind of name is on that mission. And I'm going to take every one of you out, one by one, until Kevin Douglas is recognized as his rightful place, as pound for pound, the best wrestler on the planet.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen, on TagTeamReport.com. Kevin Douglas, everyone.